Guys, let's make homemade Choco tacos. It's the perfect afternoon snack.
So we're gonna start with the taco shells. That means we're making pizzelles. I got eggs, sugar, and vanilla. I mix those up really good. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, one more quick stir, and I'm gonna sift in my flour and my baking powder. This helps me prevent any lumps, and it's gonna get a real smooth finished product. We stir that up. When it starts looking like this, well, that's ready. Set that aside and let's heat up the pizzelle maker. A little bit of oil. We're gonna put little 1-inch balls in there. Press that down. That only takes about a minute to cook, and look at that. I'm gonna throw it over here on my rolling pin, help it take the shape of our taco. That's perfect. We'll go through and get them all done. Time to fill them with some ice cream. I got triple vanilla. I'm gonna load them up, smooth that out the best I can, get them all filled up, and I'll throw them back in the freezer to hold on for a few minutes while we start melting our chocolate. Today we're gonna use semi-sweet morsels. About 1 minute in the microwave. Look at that. Take your Choco taco, roll it in the chocolate, roll it in your peanuts. That's the classic right there. We'll do it again. Roll it in the chocolate, and roll it in the peanuts. Now imagine this time when you rolled it in the chocolate, you skipped the peanuts and you used a scored toffee bar. Or better yet, what if you did it in a Kit Kat bar? Or even took it to the next level and you did it using a Reese's peanut butter cup. Guys, the possibilities are endless. You could do whatever you want, keep it simple, or get totally crazy. I mean, look at those. Just get in there and enjoy.
The taco shell is on point. The pizzelle is the way to go. Semi-sweet chocolate for the shell, fresh roasted peanuts. Man, what a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.